CJN TV.
People, now well done. We'll come back again with our breaking news. So, we just information just reach us now. Say the PDP primaries when they want hold tomorrow, don't postpone more. Say Oshomole Obaseki don't pick PDP form. So because of that, they not feel hold the primary tomorrow. So the primary election now 23rd and 24th of June 2020. So we know what will happen now. When we say they disqualify Obaseki from participating in the primary election. Maybe say they can't bring out. When they say they can't bring out Izzy Yamu. When they say he will replace him for APC, and Edo people can't say no. Say Obaseki do well. Say they don't just allow person to do well just come out like that for the party. Anywhere Obaseki go, they will go. Say they will vote her in to continue the good work when we say in they do. And we also told now yesterday say Appeal Court don't talk say Oshomole will be the national chairman, and they can't replace the national chairman yesterday with Ajimobi, Senator Ajimobi. So we'll just read some of the comments when people don't drop for our inbox since morning concerning PDP versus APC. You know, say 4 years ago, APC na Oshomole can't bring Obaseki, say may take over the position of when he be say he will replace him. So as he replace him, and you know say Obaseki na technocrat, not be real politician, but he know what thing they do because he wants better thing for Edo State. So he can start to create roads, create jobs, create many things. Now so we hear him. So and people can fall in love with Obaseki. They say he will do pass Oshomole when Oshomole be governor. And 3 days ago, the deputy governor of Edo State can say no. Anywhere Yoga go, now he will follow go. So you know if you leave Yoga like that, which is Obaseki. Say Obaseki don't really do very well, and he they follow all the rules and the policy, and you know they chop public money. Say Obaseki get plan for our people, which is our Edo people. So many people don't they come out for internet. They say anywhere Obaseki will follow, now they will go. Say Oshomole fight against God for that reason 16 years ago. Say all of us come out, come fight, come to make sure say we defend that thing, that position of God for that reason. We say the money when they want to repair Edo State, now would they go into the hand of one particular person. When they say that state, no, it go there underdeveloped. And also people they fear to go home from abroad as well. Say if they go home, fear will they catch them. Say they will kidnap them. It is not they don't know how they will take invest for the country for Edo State. So more read some of the comments when people don't comment. And one person here say it is better to fight and lose than to do anything and lose. Use all resources within your power to fight this fight from start to finish. He say, me basically fight and say it better say he fight and run away and come back another day than to just leave on like that. Say be say no contest for that position. And another person can talk saying, I know that is what is going to happen. Although politics is so interesting. 4 plus 4 equals to 8. Go complete anything party. Please, where is Tony Kabaka? Another person can talk say, with this kind of love heart he has, Obaseki belongs to PDP. At least PDP has conscience. They say PDP got conscience, they get mad. They know say Obaseki na hot cake. Say anywhere, any party will be say for contest, he will win because he don't win the heart of the people. He don't do more than waiting the people be think. They say when it comes that time, say feel work. That is why they give him we can see governor. We can see governor in the sense that if you tell you say pack comot for this place na government place, no enter. If you know, he'll give you some deadline. If you not pack comot as he talk, before you wake up, you don't do what you want to do, and people they surprise when they say this man na wish you get how you think they do it thing so, and because this man get good plans to make sure say Edo people get job, Edo people get better houses, and these people will be say if you the builders, they know they collect money for you. Say that aspect of it, now make them they happy. Another person can say, God bless you, sir. Akoko, Edo, especially Igara people are with you. Another person can talk say, congratulations, the finger of God will give you the ticket. And you can't surprise. What did they make people can't they fall in love with this man Obaseki? We did not really give them chop. Maybe say they just love him and they follow him everywhere in go. Social media don't feed up now with comments. So many comments. We say we'll just try to read some. And that person going to say, Obaseki, your 4 years is okay. The other one say, why you want contest again? Why we say the 4 years we don't do? We no reach you. Why you want another 4 years? Say Obaseki today greedy. Well, that person can say, we still remain spectators till the volume of the final whistle. Some people feel say maybe Obaseki has a chance so. Even if APC do wuru, APC fit carry on because the feel say election for Nigeria not be as you think. So another person can say good news so and good move. And another person can say now so we want them. God has already set confusion among them. Go Godwin, no shaking. We'll give you power. We deal with you. Somebody can say hallelujah. Another person can say God must win. Very good move. I will support your campaign with money. The person can say no going back to Egypt. Canaan will come. The other person can say we want to see him decamp to PDP, which he already do today. He don't decamp to PDP now. So they just wait for the primary election when you hold on the 23rd and 24th of this month. When we say we talk about before. The other person can say go for that reason. They don't want to come up for that. State say Osho Ole is gone. The other person can say Kakpe Kakabo, and the other person can say carry on, sir. The other person can say good. That is very good. And that person can say I saw this coming before now. PDP send them the dummy. I am looking at 24th for the primary. Basically, it's a movement. And you hear what that one talk. That company say and wow, it never start. You not come show us is PDP form as we are in showing contest. So some people call it laugh for yeah. Some people call it show video. We say is a Yamute talk and when it talk against Obaseki 4 years ago. Other people can say please don't make any mistake. Negotiate well low because we no want to say you not do anything for us, so you must do as we talk, and that's why everybody they follow you, they work out, they go. Any party when you enter, whether a party A, whether a party Z, whether a party VO, they will follow you, go to the end. Now so we see and reach today because the matter not be here. But we see they look what will happen as we would give our life. Even APC election when they come up on this Saturday or the 22nd of June, primary election, we will do there and we they give a life with all our correspondents. We will do there to make sure say all of them they updated. And somebody just write us now. He say I too love my governor. Say governor now the correct man. You know what they do. You know they talk too much. They talk too much. Oh, now so they just talk for many comments. Some people, some musicians don't use they sing. They say Obaseki now they want, now they will support to the end, no matter what happen. The era of God for that reason. Document. Look now, like our page for more information. Una goodbye for now.
DJ TV.